Hey guys, what's up? It's Sculler85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Dying Light 2 Stay Human Deluxe Edition on the Xbox Series X. So yeah, it's been a long 7 years, and this has been in development limbo for quite a few years. So yeah, but finally out, and I absolutely adored the first game, so I'm so looking forward to playing this. But yeah, you play as a guy called Aidan Coldwell, apparently. So obviously it isn't Carl Crane like it was on the first one. So yeah, unfortunately. But yeah, really enjoyed the first game. As I said, really enjoyed playing it in co-op as well. So I'm looking to do that again this time. As well as do some single player stuff as well. So obviously here's the front. There's the side, and obviously I've taken the steel book out of the thingy, out of the case here. But it's set 15 years after the first game. Once it decides it wants to, there we go. And the deluxe edition includes all this here. So it is optimized for Series X, smart delivery, single player, and all that good stuff, and ray tracing. So yeah, that's that. And then when you open it, you get this lovely little steelbook here. So I believe that's Aidan on the front. I would assume so. And there's the spine. Wrong way round, Scott. And there's the back. An awesome volatile. So inside you get the code, which is for the deluxe edition content, which has already been used. And you also get the disc. And then some awesome background art. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing of Dying Light 2 Stay Human, guys, on the Xbox Series X. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, and please do be sure to look out for other videos and other unboxings that I will have in the future. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later. Cheers. Bye-bye.